In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy slides to another presentation, whether you're reusing a single slide or moving an entire section. The process is quick and keeps your content consistent across decks. Start by opening the presentation that already has the slide or slides you want to reuse. This is your source file. Make sure you're in the normal or editing view where you can see the slide thumbnails on the left. Click once on the slide thumbnail you want to copy. If you need more than one, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while you click additional thumbnails. This lets you select non-adjacent slides without opening them. If you accidentally start editing text on a slide, just click back into the thumbnail panel to reselect. With your slides highlighted, right-click on any one of them and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, Control+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac does the same thing. Copying this way preserves the content, notes, and most formatting, and in many apps it also retains animations and transitions. Now open the presentation where you want these slides to go, and this is your destination file. Again, make sure you can see the slide thumbnails so you can control where the slides land. Click between two slides to set the insertion point, or click the final slide if you want the copied slides to appear at the end. Then right-click and select Paste. You can also use Control+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste directly. After pasting, take a moment to check the look and feel. Depending on the app and theme, you may be prompted to keep the original formatting or match the destination theme. If you see that choice, pick the option that best fits your presentation style. If there's no prompt, quickly scan for font, color, or layout differences and adjust as needed. You can drag the newly inserted slides up or down in the thumbnail panel to reorder them without changing any content. If your slides include embedded media, such as images, charts, or videos, they typically carry over seamlessly. When something doesn't look right, it's often due to theme differences, so aligning layouts or reapplying a design in the destination can resolve it. That's all there is to it. Open the source presentation, select your slides, copy, open the destination, and paste. A simple workflow that saves time and keeps your message consistent. If this was helpful, go ahead and try it now with a couple of sample slides and you'll have it down in seconds.